Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, April 1st, 2020. We have a pretty vigorous storm that is developing off the mid-Atlantic coast, but the good news is that this storm will remain well out in the Atlantic and will not impact our region, at least not directly. But indirectly, well, it's going to be a bit of a pest over the next several days, keeping that threat for an isolated shower or two in the forecast, and some broken cloud cover as well. But the good news is that we will see a little bit more sunshine than what we've been seeing over the past 24 hours. Winds this morning are coming in from the northeast, veering to the northwest as we move on through the morning, around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Gusts over 20 miles per hour will be a threat, especially in the afternoon hours today, tomorrow, and for Friday. We're going to take a look at the temperatures here, basically lower to mid 30s over the northern interior, mid to upper 30s along the coast in many of your urban areas, a few lower 40s down in southern New Jersey and southeastern Pennsylvania. On our surface map, you can see our storm is pushing away. All your steady heavy rainfall is basically exiting just to the south of New Jersey. We are seeing some rainfall down towards southern Delaware and over the southern Delmarva Peninsula, but that is all pushing away and out of the region. What we do see on our satellite picture is, again, a very vigorous storm, and you can see all the very cold cloud tops. Again, cold cloud tops means stronger lifting because the cloud tops are higher in the atmosphere. So you can see all the strong lifting is remaining just off the coast. Basically what's happening is that the timing of the interaction between these short waves and this storm is just a tiny bit off. And if there was a little bit better timing, we would be talking today about a very nasty nor'easter impacting the region. But that timing is off, and so as a result, we are not going to be talking about that. What we will be talking about is that this storm interacting with these short waves once it pushes basically well south and east of New England, and that's going to form what we call an upper level low. And that upper level low is going to send cold front after cold front through the region and also trough of low pressure that's going to keep the threat for an isolated shower and scattered broken cloud cover in place all the way on through at least Friday. The weekend, though, well, that's looking a bit better. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, again, watch out for an isolated shower, scattered broken cloud cover. There's one of our troughs we were talking about. Temperatures will rise into lower to mid 50s. For tonight, look for scattered broken cloud cover. Again, can't rule out an isolated shower. Lows in the mid 30s. For tomorrow afternoon, look for scattered to broken cloud cover. Again, watch out for that isolated shower. Temperatures will rise into the lower to mid 50s. On Friday, same thing, rinse and repeat. Watch out for an isolated shower with these troughs rotating around. Again, there's our powerful storm well out here in the Atlantic. And again, it's forming this upper level low, which is sending these short waves through. So, again, watch out for an isolated shower or two. Temperatures will range from the lower to mid 40s for lows and lower to mid 50s for highs. On Saturday, high pressures in control. Look for clearing skies, lows in the lower to mid 40s, highs in the mid to upper 50s. Now on Sunday, high pressure will start to exit the region, a little bit warmer in most locations. Look for lows in the mid to upper 30s, high temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s over the northern interior, mid to upper 50s on Long Island, and upper 50s to mid 60s throughout the rest of the region. Of course, as you head down towards southern New Jersey, more likely to see temperatures in the mid 60s. On Monday, a cold front moves through late at night into the early morning hours on Monday, with a threat for an isolated shower, clearing skies towards the afternoon hours, lows in the mid to upper 40s, highs in the lower to mid 60s. On Tuesday, a warm front starts to approach with a threat for an isolated shower or two. Look for lows in the upper 30s, highs in the upper 50s to mid 60s. And on Wednesday, that warm front starts to move a little bit closer, and that's going to lead to the threat for an isolated shower. High pressure over the Canadian Maritimes will send down a marine air mass while warm air is pushing northward. That means it's going to be a cloudy day as well. Look for lows in the lower to mid 40s and highs in the mid to upper 50s. We may see lower to mid 50s lingering around for portions of Connecticut and eastern Long Island as well, as that marine air mass tries to battle that warm front. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. If you enjoyed this forecast, definitely like, share, and subscribe. Let your friends and family know. And as always, stay safe out there.